Hi, Bio5, and welcome to Finals Week. We have made it to the very end. I just wanted to say that I'm really proud of you guys. We've worked through case studies, we've worked through material, which is not easy material. You've worked through Silverthorne, the book, which isn't always easy to read, and you've made it to the end of this course, and that is super. I mean, that dedication. Um, it really does humble me in all my classes that you have stuck to this and you have worked hard. So this is the week of the final. You have it on Wednesday, and I'm really wishing you the very, very best. Hang in there. Take a very deep breath as you're doing the exam and show that you can do fabulous work, because I'm sure you can. It's been my pleasure, honestly, it has, to guide you through this, and telling all my students that if you can come and see me during some office hour next semester when we're in person and tell me that you were in my class, it would bring much pleasure, because I can't wait to see students for real. And I think it's going to be excellent next semester. So come say hello and take care, do great, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Bye.